Start 180, crest, good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 180, pass junction. Crest, 160, slowing. Turn 2 right, half long, onto gravel. 70, slowing, 4 right to the crest. And hairpin left. 80, short, 4 left. 4 right, caution, 30, square left, 50. Small crest, 60. Square right. Into crest, and dip, 80. Crest, 30. Slight right, 40. Slight left, 30. Long crest, 70. 4 left, 160. Slowing, crest, 110. Turn, square right. 100, right of the crest, 90. Six right to the crest, keep in, 40. 5 left short, 80. Turn 2 left short, 30. 4 left, tightens. And 4 right, half long, 70. Slight left, 150. Crest and jump, 100. Long crest, slowing, 120. 4 right, tightens, to 4 left, long, 100. Slight left, 70. Slight left of crest, 70, brake. 5 left short of a crest to slight right, 40. 6 left of a crest and 3 right, opens. Into 6 right of a crest, 40. Slight left. Into 4 right short over crest, 100. 4 right short over crest to slight left, 40. Crest, slowing, 50. Late 2 left, half long, 40. Slight left and slight right, tightens of a crest. And 4 left short, to left of a crest. And 6 right short, slowing, 70. Caution, crest, into turn, 1 right, into 6 left sharp, to 40, slowing. Square right, don't cut, onto tarmac, and turn square left, onto gravel, and slight left, 70. Crest, 90, brake. 6 right, keep in, 40. 3 left short, 50. 2 right short, into 3 left. And 3 right sharp. To slight left, slight right, into 6 left, half long of a crest, 30. 6 left, 50. 6 right sharp. Slowing and 6 right, half long, and 2 left short, unseen, 130. 5 left short, 40. Hairpin right. Into square left, 50. 6 left short, into crest. And 4 right, 40. 2 left sharp, 30. Square right, tightens, into crest, 40. 3 right short over crest, and 3 left short, right of a bump, 70. 4 right short over crest, and 6 left, tightens 3. And right of a crest into 6 left, tightens square. 70, 3 right short, and crest, 30, late 5 left, over crest, twisty, 60, 4 right to the crest, to 2 left, tightens, into 1 right short, into 3 left short, into 2 right, opens of the crest, 30, caution, right of a bump, 70, turn 3 right of a crest, 40, 6 left, tightens, into 6 right, and late 1 left, tightens, 50, crest, into late 1 left, into turn 2 right, half long, opens, and 6 left, and slide right, into 2 left, 2 right short, 30, 4 right sharp, over crest, 60. Right of the crest. And 5 left, slowing, 50. Turn, square right, and 1 left. At junction, 30, slide right of a crest, 50. 5 right short. And slide right, long, over crest. Into 5 left, 30, 6 right, into 6 left, through dip, into crest, and right of a jump, slowing, 70, turn acute hairpin left, 90, finish, into 3 right, to stop. Okay, that's a 7 minute, 12.9.